And this is my fiance.
Kha.
And we recently got engaged. We wanted to buy a new home. We started working with Rudy and his team, actually with a previous property. We were working with Jay previously, and he was just very dependable, meticulous, very detail-oriented. So we decided to work with him again with buying our own home.
Well, it took us, we decided to get a home because it was just the right time for us to get it. And we and Jay actually took the time to drive us around every other weekend looking for a home. It was, he's really patient to take his time to really show us the home, make sure that we get the house that we wanted. And he doesn't rush us to buy anything, make sure that we get the home we want, so he really takes his time with us.
Like Kha said, he was very detail-oriented, had our best interests in mind, and really asked about what our dream home was. So he took the time and showed us several properties until we found one that we're really, really happy with, and that we will start our family in. So one of the obstacles that we encountered was that we're on a limited budget, so we had to do a lot of negotiation. But Jay was very diligent and really talked to the seller and found a middle ground that is fair for the seller side as well as us, and it's also within our budget. I think that was one of the biggest obstacles that we had. But after being able to go into escrow, Jay was able to get all the inspections scheduled for us, basically got everything set up for us so that we were very stress-free and carefree after that. Anything you want to?
Yeah, he really took his time. Just work with the seller and really look for our best interest in the whole process, and it worked out pretty well for us.
So the reason why I decided this is not my first time working with Rudy and his team, and the reason why I keep coming back to his company and working with him to sell or buy property is because they have a very good reputation. They're very customer service driven, so they always provide the best foot forward. We didn't really go through a lot of trouble, to be honest, because we only looked at like a few houses and then we found it, and then we were the first offer, and then that's it. So through Jay, we were able to close our escrow in time and in 21 days. So overall, I'm very satisfied with Rudy, Kusuma, and his team with purchasing my home, and I would definitely recommend my family and friends to their company if they were to sell or buy a home.